All right, another Tola bag, guys. This one is more rectangle shaped, and I'm gonna show you all the compartments I have. You can carry this bag in a few different ways. We got the long way. If you want, you can carry it at the top, which is the short way. And then of course, you can throw it across your back. Just like this. Shoulders are padded, and then I also have a top lock to keep the backpack on. I don't think this one got a bottom. No, I don't think this one got a bottom. Alright, so this is the security. Now that we showed you that part, let me tell you all the compartments. Also, crossbody. Alright, this is the crossbody part. Got the strap. You can go on your shoulder or you can go across the body, however you feel. Alright, come close, guys. Let me tell you about this. This is security for the backpack. This top one here is the wet one. So you can put like your wet towels. It's aluminum. I just got some documents in there, but you can put wet things in here. It has an insulation, so that's how it will air out, so it won't get all moldy. And then this right here keeps it together. We're gonna pop it open. There we go. This is the expander. I can tighten it back up because what I have don't even amount to needing expansion. But yeah, let's open it all the way. This side, right here. All right, in this one, we got a wet compartment here. You can put wet stuff where it is your toiletry or whatever you want. Got a zipper. Then we got our dry pouch here. You can put your toothbrushes, your hair nets, your jewelry, anything you need in that pouch there. And then inside, on this side, this is where my clothes are. So all the clothes are in here. This bag does not come with a charger port, but if you have a portable charger, you can stick it in the bag, and it has a charging slot for you to slide the cord out. So if you guys have a portable charger, that's how that one will work, which is pretty cool as well. Now, this is the laptop side. It's already insulated, so it can protect the laptop that goes in there. And if you open it up, see how big the compartment is? You can fit a laptop way bigger than this in there. So that is pretty cool, laptop. And then under here, this is where I got my shoes at. All right, so these are the shoes I have. If you have any smaller shoes, y'all see I got these chunky boots. You can have more stuff down here in this compartment. And you don't have to have a shoe compartment, you can also have another clothing compartment. But that is that area. Has all these paddings for when you wear it. This is a pocket back here too. And this is where I just got my snacks at. All right, once again, guys, this is another compartment. You can put small things in there, things you want to pull out your backpack immediately at the airport. So if you got your snacks, put your snacks in there. This is the quick department, I'll call it. And that is it. This backpack is very sturdy, very durable, is waterproof, has all the compartments you could need. And if you're going on a small trip, I'll say 4 days, 5 days, where you're going somewhere hot and most of your items are thin, these backpacks are great. They're going to hold a lot of things. And it's heavy duty, so it's perfect. And if you don't want to use the strap, that's what this pocket is for. That's the strap pocket. You put that strap back in that bag there. That's it, guys. If you want to purchase one of these, go ahead and hit my link in the description. Leave a comment down below if you already got one of these backpacks. Let us know what you think about the backpack.